If you're looking to stop recurring charges on Snapchat, this guide will walk you through the necessary steps to cancel any subscriptions or payments associated with your account. Follow these steps to manage your subscriptions effectively. Step 1. Open Snapchat. Launch the Snapchat app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into the account that has the recurring charges you want to stop. Step 2. Access your profile. Tap on your profile icon located in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page where you can manage your account settings. Step 3. Go to Settings. In your profile, tap on the gear icon in the top right corner to access the Settings menu. This is where you can find options related to your account and subscriptions. Step 4. Find Subscriptions. Scroll down to the Subscriptions section within the Settings menu. Here, you will see a list of any active subscriptions linked to your Snapchat account. Step 5. Cancel subscription. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you can effectively manage and stop any recurring charges on your Snapchat account. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to Snapchat support for assistance.